Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chase debit PIN number. So this is going to be useful in case, like in my case, you actually do forget your Chase debit PIN number because let's be real, who uses debit card nowadays? But even so, make sure to follow this video step by step. This is going to be quick, short, and sweet, and straight to the point. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do first is go onto your Chase app, which is this blue and white icon over here. Now, once you're logged in, you want to scroll down and find the checkings account in which you have a debit card attached to. So do keep in mind that if you want a debit PIN number change, it's going to be mailed to you and it's going to take around like 5 to 7 business days. But even so, if you want to actually change the PIN number to, let's say, 4 or 6 digits yourself, you would have to go into Chase Bank themselves and actually change it that way. So that no one wants to, go to the actual bank. So it is better to do it online this way. But if you want to set the PIN number yourself, then you would have to go in the Chase Bank itself. But keep in mind, it'll be done about 5 to 7 business days as far as it being mailed to you. So let's go ahead and click on my first account over here. And then from here, under Manage Account, you want to click on Manage Account, Access Tools and Services for your account. Now, in the middle, where it says Manage PIN, go ahead and click on Manage PIN. And now at this point, it's asking you to tell them your debit or ATM card number. So what you want to do is enter your debit/ATM card number, which are the, I think, 16 digits on your debit card. And afterwards, right underneath, it says you'll receive your new PIN number in 5 to 7 business days. To set your own PIN number, please visit a Chase bank. So that is how to change your Chase debit PIN number. If anyone knows of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.